Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, in the Zoom class we learned exercise 6.1. Isn't it that warm up page and say exercise 6.1 we learned, and today we are going to learn exercise 6.2. Okay children? Okay, first is have find. Find means see 1 by 3 of 18 is there. So what you have to do, see, you have to do like this. 1 by 3 of 18 means what you have to do, you have to divide 18 divided by 3. Instead of easy method, what you can do, 3 1 is 3 and 6 1 3 is 3, 6 3 is 18. So what you can do children, so easy method. Now this 2 you have to multiply, this 2 you have to multiply. So 1 into 6 is equal to 6. So what's the answer? Answer is 1 by 3 of 18 is 6. Understood children? See, 1 by 3 of 18. So 18 goes in 3 tables. 18 goes in 3 tables. So 1 3 is 3, 6 3s are 18. So these two you have to multiply. So that is the answer. Understood children? So second sum. See, I will teach you second sum. 2 by 3 of 12. 2 by 3 of 12. Okay. So what you have to do? You can multiply, you have to divide this one. Otherwise, you have to do like this. It is a big process. So only I have teaching you in the simple way. 2 by 3 of 12. So 12 goes in 3 tables. 12 goes in 3 tables. 1 3 is 3. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So what do you have to do children? These two number you have to multiply. So 2 into 4, what answer children? 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So what's the answer? Answer is 2 by 3 of 12 is 8. Understood children? Very easy. We'll see the third sum. Okay children? We'll see the third sum. In the notebook you do below, because I know space I'm doing in the side, but in the note what you have to do, one below one you have to do. Okay, the third sum, 1 by 4 of 16. 1 by 4 of 16. Very easy children. So you have to write 1 by 4 of 16. So what you can do here, in 16 goes in 4 tables. So 1 4 is 4. 4 4s are 16. So you have to multiply these two numbers. So 1 into 4, what answer children? 4. So what's the answer? 1 by 4 of 16 is 4. And you have to keep full stop like this. Okay, children? And then we'll see the fourth sum. 5 by 3 of 32. 5 by 3 of 32. 5 by 8, sorry, 5 by 8 of 32. So 5 by 8 of 32. So 32 goes in 8 table, isn't it children? If you are thorough in tables, you can do this sum very easily. So 1 8, 1 is 8 and 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. So these two numbers, what you have to do children? You have to multiply. So 5 4s are 5 into 4. 5 4s are what children? 20. So what will be the answer children? Answer 5 by 8 of 32 is 20. And you have to keep full stop. Okay children? And then one more sum we will teach, and then two sums I will give as homework. Okay, the fifth sum. 1 by 6 of 36. 1 by 6 of 36. So what you have to do children? 1 by 6 of 36. So 36 goes in 6 tables, isn't it? 6 1 is 6. So 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. So 1 in this two number, what we have to do, children? We have to multiply. 1 6 is 6. So what's the answer? 1 by 6 of 36 is 6. Okay, children. Now, two sums I will give you as homework. Homework. You have to do, children. Many of them are not doing the homework. Simply sending what I have done, that sum you are sending. So, all should complete this. So, what you have to do? 2 by 4 of 18. 2 by 4 of 18. And then what will come? Seventh sum. 2 by 4 of 16, ma. 2 by 4 of 16. 2 by 4 of 16. And the seventh sum, two sums homework, children. But you have to do one below another. So 3 by 5 of 25. 3 by 5 of 25. Okay, children. These two sums homework all should have completed. Okay. We'll see the B1. So in the B1, what they have given, 1 dozen. 1 dozen is equal to 12. 1 dozen is equal to 12. Isn't it, children? 12. So what you have to do? You have to calculate now. Now calculate. 1 dozen is equal to 12. You have to calculate it. So the first sum I will do. See, 1 by 2 of a dozen they have given. 1 by 2 of a dozen. So dozen means what, children? 12. So what you have to do? 1 by 2 of 12. Understood, children? See, here dozen they have written. For instead of dozen, what you have to put, children? 12. So 1 by 2 of 12. So what we have learned before itself, isn't it? So what? 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12. 12 goes in 2 tables. So the same process what you have done before. So you have to multiply this one. 1 6 are 6. 1 6 is 6. So what's the answer, children? What's that? 1 by 2 of 12 is 6. Understood, children? Okay, second sum, shall we see? Second sum, 2 by 3 of a dozen. 2 by 3 of a dozen. So, what you have to do, children? 2 by 3 of dozen means what I said? 12. Isn't it, children? 2 by 3 of 12. So what you have to do? What you have to do? You have to 3 in 3, 12 goes in 3 table, isn't it, children? So 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12. So this two number, what you have to do? You have to multiply. So 2 4s are 2 4s are what, children? 8. So what's the answer? 2 by 3 of 12 is 8. Okay, children. Okay, third sum we will do. Third sum, 5 by 6 of a dozen. 5 by 6 of a dozen. So what you have to do, children? 5 by 6 of dozen means what? 12. Dozen, 1 dozen is equal to 12. Yeah, dozen means 1 dozen. Okay, children. So 12 goes in 6 tables. 1 6 is 6. 2 what 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. So what will come? So what you have to do, children? You have to multiply this two number. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. So what's the answer? 5 by 6 of 12 is 10. 5 by 6 of 12 is 10. Okay. The next homework, fourth sum, I'll give you as homework. Homework. You leave line some space and do, children. Okay, I don't have space, so I'm writing like this. See, 1 by 3 of a dozen. 1 by 3 of a dozen. And then fifth sum. You have to do it one below another. Okay, children? 3 by 4 of a dozen. Okay, children? In the first A also I gave 2 sum, and for B also I have given 2 sums. Okay, children? Will you do that one? Okay. We'll move on to the C1. See here, the same process only, but they have given, what they have given? They have given minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. What they have given? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and now you have to calculate. The same as you have done in the before A and B. Now we have to calculate. See, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So the first sum, 1 by 2 of an hour. An hour means what, children? An hour means 60 minutes. An hour means what? 60 minutes. So 1 by 2 of, what you have to write, children? For instead of an hour, what you have to write, children? 60. What you have to write? 60. So 1 by 2 of 60. So what will come, children? Here 60 goes in 2 tables. What will come? 1, 2, 2, 1 is 2. And what will come? 32s are 60. 32s are 60. So when you have to multiply these two numbers. So what will come? 1 into 30 is equal to 30. 130 is 30. So what's the answer? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means half, isn't it? Half of 60 is 30. Okay, children? Half of 60 is 30. And then we'll see the second sum. Second sum, 1 by 5 of an hour. See, children, in between each sum, you have to draw line with the pencil. You have to draw line with the scale. Understood, children? Use pencil. You have to draw line like this so that it will be very neat. Okay, children, you have to draw lines and then leave line and write. So, again here, 1 by 5 of an hour means what, children? 60. Isn't it, children? 60. So 60 goes in 5 tables, isn't it, children? It goes. So what will come? 12 5s are 60. 5 1 is 5. 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are 60. So you have to multiply these two. 1 into 12. 1 12 is 12. 1 12 is 12. So what's the answer, children? 1 by 5 of 60 is 12. Is 12. Okay, children? The same process. Okay, we'll see 2 more sums. Okay, the third sum. 1 by 10 of an hour. 1 by 10 of an hour. So again the same, children. 1 by 10 of an hour means what, children? 60. So 60 goes in 10 table. Easy, isn't it? 1 10 is 10. 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. So you have to multiply this two. 1 6 is 6. So what's the answer? 1 by 10 of 60 is 6. 1 by 10 of 60 is 6. Okay. One more sum we will do. 3 by 4 of an hour. 3 by 4 of an hour. So what, children, again? 3 by 4 of 60. So 60 goes in 4 table also. 60 goes in 4 table also. So what will come? 1 4 is 4. 4. What will come? 15 4s are 60. 15 4s are 60. So these two, what you have to do? Multiply. 3 into 15 is equal to, what will come? 45. 3 15s are 45. So what's the answer? 3 by 4 of 60 is 45. Okay, children, understood, children? Okay, I think all of them have understood. And this in this also I will give 2 homework sums. Okay, children, I will give 2 homework sums. So totally how many sums I have given, children? 6 sums. All should have sent it to me. Homework 5. 1 by 4 of an hour. And the 6th one. 2 by 3 of an hour. See, 2 sums I have given. Okay, children, will you do it, children? Will you do it? Okay. Okay, children. See, I think all have been thorough in this A, B, and C. The same model only. Okay, children. So all should write neatly. You have to copy down this exercise 6.2. You have to copy down in the maths classwork note. Understood? Put chapter 6 fraction. You have to write chapter 6 fraction and then exercise 6.2. Because 6.1 you no need to write in the maths note. You can do it in the book itself. Okay, children? So this one you have to copy down in the maths classwork neatly and draw lines in between each sum so that it will be looking good. Okay, children, will you do it? Or we will meet in the next class. Okay, children, thank you. Bye.